Sinon balot pilapil ko. We're driving on the motor highway again. Let's go somewhere. Ganda ng weather. Sana lang whole day sunny siya.
Suoraan. Se olisi niinku jollekin tuonne. Northwest.
Northwest Finland. This is Northwest Finland, guys.
No, it's not the path, but it's going.
Going, yeah. That's what I said. Going.
Yes.
Going to Northwest Finland. Because when we go to Savonlinna, it's eastern part, going to eastern part of Finland. And Helsinki is southern part of Finland. And Lapland, Rovaniemi is the north of Finland. So we are going north to west. Sa isang pantropiko. Ang ganda ng kalsada talaga ng Finland, guys. So hindi kami nanghihinayang sa tax namin na binabayad kasi well maintained yung kalsada, yung mga facilities, services, yung mga ano namin sa health. Ay, ang daming ano, oh, solar. I think in Japan they are
Maybe it depends that
depends on the country, on the
yes,
government.
it's so funny that, for example, that if this pörssisähkö, if there is too much, so the price of this solar power, which this company pays, it takes off from you because it's minus.
Okay.
But for example, that when this pörssisähkö is so much in electric companies, so you can just buy that, and the electric company gives you a little bit money. That's the difference of what is pörssisähkö and normal water or nuclear power electric.
It's so flat here, Kulta, no? There's no like hills, mountains.
Not forest.
No,
It's like
not-
in Eastern Finland.
Yeah, not so much forest but still we can see trees,
Yes.
but not much. Here is like farm. Last week it was cold. It was like not cold, but you know, it's not really summer. It was only 12, 10.
Now it's 22.
Now
plus.
today it's 22. And I have 2 days off, so yarn. Enjoy. Driving lang kami, guys. Saan maabutan ng gutom, doon kakain.
metrin jälkeen käänny oikealle. Käänny oikealle.
Kano oikealle. Turn to the right. Turn to the right. Now we are in Rihimaki, guys.
100 metrin jälkeen aja suoraan eteenpäin kiertoliittymästä. Toinen erkanemiskaista.
Toinen
Aja suoraan
erkanemiskaista.
eteenpäin kiertoliittymästä. Toinen
So this
erkanemiskaista.
is Rihimaki. McDonald's kulta. It's been a while. I haven't eaten burger already.
200 metrin jälkeen aja suoraan eteenpäin
I
kiertoliittymästä.
remember. I
Toinen
have my
erkanemiskaista.
co-worker who has now a restaurant here in Rihimaki, Henry.
Aja suoraan eteenpäin kiertoliittymästä.
What's the
Toinen
name of his
erkanemiskaista.
restaurant? Glass, something like that. Maybe I'll check his
There's
Facebook.
so many traffic circles. Just straight on, drive,
Yeah.
straight on.
Was XL.
200 metrin jälkeen aja suoraan eteenpäin kiertoliittymästä. Toinen
What's
erkanemiskaista.
the name of the restaurant of Henry?
Aja suoraan eteenpäin kiertoliittymästä. Toinen erkanemiskaista.
Glass. It's something about glass. It's in the
Riihimäki is famous for its glass products.
yeah, but there's a glass museum.
Yes, glass museum.
Yeah, I will check his Instagram or Facebook. I can't remember. I can't forget him because I asked bring salt. So it did help.
Metrin jälkeen aja suoraan eteenpäin kiertoliittymästä.
So
Toinen erkanemiskaista.
he was the one telling me, Eva, sinon pitay soda. Soda, what is soda water in Finnish?
Soda vesi.
Soda vesi, din laita suola. Sen takia minä en koskaan unota häntä. Railways?
Yes.
Riihimäki is the crossing point of railways. So the train from Turku, train from Rovaniemi,
Yes.
it will pass through Riihimäki?
Yes.
Oh, really? Yeah, I remember. When we came from Rovaniemi last 2 years ago or 3 years ago. Yeah, we did pass Riihimäki from Oulu. And how about from you, Insu?
Well, not directly, because Joensuu is in eastern.
Yeah.
And there's this road number 6.
Okay. Oops.
So you have to pass from east more to the west.
Okay.
200 metrin jälkeen aja suoraan eteenpäin kiertoliittymästä. Toinen erkanemiskaista.
Cleaning, very good.
Aja suoraan eteenpäin kiertoliittymästä. Toinen erkanemiskaista.